experience, and also Sir has published 4 textbooks. Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu Garu has published more than 195 papers in international journals and conferences. And also, SAR has conducted more than 115 international or national conferences, workshops, symposiums, and seminars. Sir has received Best IT Teacher of the Year from ITAP in 2020 and also Bharat Vidya Ratan, a national award from International Business Council in 2018. And also Sir got Best International Scientific Researcher Award from Research India Foundation in 2022 and many more. Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu Garu area of interest include data science, big data analytics, data mining, artificial intelligence, and robotic process automation, cloud computing, pattern recognition, machine learning, and software engineering. Before we get started, I would like to express my sincere thanks to our chief guest and to all of you who presented here to make this FDP program successful. Now, with no delay, I welcome our chief guest, Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu Garu, to join with us and address the gathering.
So, unmute you, sir. It is muted. Your mic is muted.
Hello, sir. A warm welcome to a faculty development program. Yeah. Sir, my voice is clear now?
Yes, sir.
Hello, sir. Yeah. So, good afternoon, yeah. Good afternoon, my dear faculty members. A warm welcome to faculty development program on artificial intelligence and data science. So, welcome to this afternoon session. Today I am going to explain data science applications using machine learning and deep learning techniques with various case studies. So, before going to my session, I think last 5 days you might have got a complete knowledge on artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, statistics, or data mining, and as well as data science. So I would like to brief what are the applications or what are the real-time applications we are going to see in this session. Today I am going to cover various health data analytics and hard data set and COVID-19 prediction detection applications. So recently machine learning and deep learning techniques. 1 minute, what is happening in this world? How many users are connected to internet? So internet is a network of networks. Without internet, even I can write bold Bernard Newman. So now I am going to show you practicals. What is happening in this world within 1 minute? How many users are connected? And those things I am going to share with you. Please check the URL what I am going to type here. Internet live statistics, www internet live statistics. Please see here. Please see my screen. See now within in this second, how many users are connected? See here, all of you. If you have system, you can type www.internetlivestats.com. Internetlivestats.com. So see now internet users in the world, how many users connected, total number of websites opened in this second, how many emails sent today, and Google searches today. And please observe, my dear participants, how many servers are required? See, these many users are connected to the internet world. Suppose you are using Facebook, how many Facebook servers are required? That's why Facebook, they have opened their own data center at USA. Collection of high integrated servers at one place is called data center. So data center is the backbone of cloud computing and virtualization. Virtualization is the ability to perform multiple tasks in a single system with help of VMware virtualization technology, hypervisor, Zen, virtual iron, etc. Now see here videos, how many videos viewed today in this second. See, number is changing continuously. The number is changing continuously. Okay. So why I am explaining this one means, being a computer science faculty or computer science student, we must know how many users are connected in this world. We are living in this digital era, and this is the URL internetlivestats.com. So my intention is, we are dealing with large data sets, big data sets. That's why we are moving towards cloud computing. Okay. So cloud computing is an internet-based technology. Without internet, we cannot perform any kind of service-oriented application. So Facebook recently, they have shifted their data warehouse, I mean database. Recently, previously they are using Cassandra database. They shifted to Hive data warehouse because Cassandra is not performing joins and triggers properly. That's why they have shifted to Hive data warehousing, and HBase is a database tool right now in Facebook. So this is a small background of a huge volume of data in this internet world. Sorry. So today I would like to explain the contents, data science contents, introduction to data science and Python programming, statistics and artificial intelligence, data mining, artificial neural networks, and what are the machine learning approaches we are using, and what are the techniques are available in data prediction, Omicron virus prediction and detection, Ebola virus prediction and detection application by using machine learning and deep learning techniques, prostate, breast and lung cancer. These are the various applications I am going to demonstrate today's session, and monkeypox prediction detection using CNN and RNN techniques. Last week I have executed this application. I am going to demonstrate various applications today because you got complete knowledge of artificial intelligence, data mining, machine learning, statistics. Various eminent professors, they have explained in this wonderful faculty development program. So before going to big data set, how do we measure the data in data science? So being a computer science and IT faculty, we must aware of the number system, how we are measuring the system. See, computer understands only ones and zeros. That is combination of binary language, combination of ones and zeros. If you press capital A, system cannot take capital A as it is because it converts internally ASCII format, American Standard Code for Information Interchange. So capital A value is 65. If you divide it by 2, you are getting the binary equivalent number is 10001. So this is the internal system of system or computer or server. The way we are measuring the data in data science. So 1 bit is equal to 0 or 1, 4 bits is equal to 1 nibble, 8 bits is equal to 1 byte, 4 bytes is equal to 1 word, 4 words is equal to 1024 bytes, 1024 bytes is equal to 1 kilobyte. After kilobytes, megabytes, gigabytes, terabytes, petabytes, hexabytes, octabytes, zettabytes, yottabytes. Hi, I am Robo. My speed is 1 terabytes, my memory is 1 zettabyte, yottabyte. So, thanks to Director Shankar and Rajini sir, they have introduced the wonderful terminology in this digital world, that is zettabytes. Okay, before that Robo movie, even I don't know the way we are measuring data in data science. Okay, so after 1024 YB is equal to protobyte and 1024 protobyte is equal to 1 geobyte, not GIO geobyte. That is that geo is ruined students' life. Initially, they attracted giving 2 months free of mobile service. I mean internet service. After that, they are making profit from us. So this is GEO geobytes. 1024 geobytes is equal to infinity. If you ask me after that, there is no terminology. If you see, everybody knows 10 power 3 is a 1 kilobyte, 10 power 6 is a megabyte, 10 power 9 is a gigabyte, 10 power 12 is a terabyte. If you see, power 30 is a geobyte. So this is the way we are measuring data in data science. So in introduction to data science, what I am going to cover, what are the fundamentals of data science, what are the components of data science, workflow of data science tools and techniques and applications, and followed by the data analytics using statistical methods like linear regression, nonlinear regression, logistic regression. Data analytics using AI techniques. In AI techniques, we can use A-star algorithm, traveling salesman problem, AI, machine learning and statistics combined algorithm. We are using in this data analytics using artificial intelligence techniques. Then I am going to demonstrate data analytics using data mining techniques like classification, clustering, association, rule mining, and outlier detection, and as well as reckoned engine, etc. And data analytics using artificial neural networks. This is a base for CNN, RNN, DNN, and various frameworks like XGBoost and ResNet, GoogleNet. These are the various deep learning frameworks are available. Then data analytics using machine learning techniques. There are three approaches we are using in machine learning techniques, such as supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. I'm going to differentiate supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning algorithms. Then data analytics using deep learning techniques, so such as convolutional neural networks and recurrent neural networks, deep neural networks, and various long short-term memory algorithm, various algorithms I'm going to demonstrate. I think everybody knows Python programming maximum. If you doesn't know Python programming, if you know just mathematics is enough to execute all sort of applications in artificial intelligence as well as data science. It is very simple. If you know up to 10th class mathematics is enough in order to execute various applications. And I have used various libraries like NumPy, SciPy, Pandas, Scikit-learn, Matplotlib, Theano, TensorFlow, Keras, and PyTorch. Various libraries and packages, inbuilt packages I have used for my machine learning, deep learning, AI applications to generate the interested analytics. So next. Module 3 in statistics, I am going to demonstrate what are the types of data and what are the fundamentals of statistical techniques and what are the standard deviation operations, how do we can perform in the statistics I'm going to demonstrate. And statistical techniques like linear regression, nonlinear regression, logistic regression, Poisson distribution, normal distribution, various and artificial intelligence is nothing but intelligent behavior in a machine. There are various techniques I am going to demonstrate like A-star algorithm networks, various convolutional neural networks techniques I am going to demonstrate. In data mining, usually extracting meaningful interested patterns from the huge volume of data by applying classification, clustering, association rule mining, recommender engine, and these are the various tools and techniques I am going to demonstrate in data mining. And artificial neural networks, so it mimics like a human brain, collection of artificial neural networks in a system is called artificial neural networks. And there are various types of artificial neural networks like feed forward neural networks, back forward neural networks, and k nearest neighbor algorithm, and as well as various generative adversarial networks, radial basis functional networks, and I'm going to demonstrate self-organizing maps, various applications by using ANN. In machine learning, there are three approaches I have explained. Supervised learning is nothing but there is a target class, there is a label, I'm going to classify the data by using supervised learning techniques like linear regression, logistic regression, Bayesian networks, decision tree, random forest, k nearest neighbor, various classification techniques I am applying under supervised learning. Then unsupervised learning is nothing but I don't know how many classes it is going to classify. Based on the similarity measure, I am going to cluster the data. By applying a similarity measure, I am using Euclidean distance formula like square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square, and Minkowski distance and Euclidean distance I can use to perform a similarity measure in order to cluster the data. So I am using k-means clustering and fuzzy c-means clustering, agglomerative clustering, density-based clustering methods, various methods I am using. Then reinforcement learning is nothing but learning from the mistakes, learning from the errors, and based on the punishment and reward, we are solving various AI gaming applications under reinforcement learning. There are popular algorithms like SARSA. SARSA is nothing but lambda state action reward traces, deep neural networks, and continuous, and A3C asynchronous advantage actor athletic algorithm. These are the reinforcement learning techniques we are using. Then finally, deep learning techniques I am going to demonstrate, such as convolutional neural networks, recurrent neural networks, long short-term memory networks, generative adversarial networks, radial basis networks, and multi-layer perceptron, self-organizing maps, hidden Markov model, etc. And these are the projects in my data science research laboratory. We have executed various and Master of Technology students. We have executed nearly 60 projects we have demonstrated in the laboratory, such as various applications, crop yield prediction, and color tracking using OpenCV, digital art using OpenCV, and various applications. See, nearly 64 applications are generated with the help of machine learning and deep learning applications. And what is the prerequisition of data science? If you see, if you want to become a data scientist, you must have knowledge on statistics, mathematics, and any one programming language. In statistics, you must know it, inferential statistics, descriptive statistics, and in mathematics, you must know it, linear algebra, calculus. In programming knowledge, any one programming language is enough, like Excel, Python, or SQL. So Python is so popular these days because of rich number of libraries we are using in this data science applications. What is the prerequisition of data science? So, my dear participants, any doubts? If you are getting, please post in the chat box so that I can answer for your queries. So the prerequisition of data science, data is nothing but a raw material. It is maybe a fact, audio, video, image, graphics, animation, etc. And the information is nothing but processed data is called information. Collection of interrelated data with the help of SQL, MySQL, Teradata, DB2, MS Access, we are creating a database. Then collection of softwares, like there are two types of relation. There are two types of databases languages we can see in the industry. One is a relational databases and one more is a non-relational database. Under relational database, we are using schema, relation, and a procedure in order to create a database with help of relational database tools like SQL, MySQL, Teradata, DB2, MS Access, etc. And non-relational database, there is no label, there is no schema, there is no relation, there is no procedure, but we are creating a database with help of non-relational databases such as Mongo database, like NoSQL, and as well as Hive, HBase. These are the NoSQL databases, that is called DBMS. Then combination of data and DBMS is called database system. And data mart is nothing but storing of a small amount of data in a server, that is called a subset of a data warehousing is called data mart. Of data marts is called online analytical processing, that is called data warehousing is nothing but storing huge volume of data in a server or system or in a data center, that is called data warehousing. Data warehousing, there are data warehousing tools like Informatica, Hive. These are the two popular tools we are using in order to, I'm generating interested analytics. I'm generating hidden patterns from the huge volume of data is called data mining. So by applying various classification techniques, clustering techniques, association rule mining techniques, the outlier detection, recommender engine, we are generating interested analytics. That is called data mining. Then comes to the big data. Big data deals with the large data sets in like Facebook data set, NASA data set, traffic data set, supermarket data set. It deals with the big data sets like 3 V's, majorly classified into 3 V's, and there are 7 V's are also presented. 3 V's are volume, velocity, and variety. Volume says the size of the data. Variety says the different files of data we are handling in real-time environment. And one more V says that velocity, the speed at motion we are downloading, uploading videos. So in order to process the big data, we are using various big data tools like Hadoop, Spark, MATLAB, R, Cassandra, Hive, Zookeeper, various big data tools we are using. After the big data, we are having a hot topic buzzword in the industry like data science. Data science is the process of examining and extracting hidden patterns from the huge volume of data by applying various statistical AI and machine learning, deep learning algorithms. This is a prerequisition of data science. Any doubts? My dear faculty members, please, if you are having any doubts, please ask me now. I am giving 1 minute time. In this prerequisition, and I have explained the syllabus of data science and the various applications I have listed. Any doubts? Hello, sir. Please respond me, sir. If anybody would like to ask any question, please unmute them, sir. Hello.
No, continue, sir.
Oh, okay, no doubts from the audience. If they are having any doubts, let them pose any queries in the chat box. Please instruct them, sir. I'll clarify their doubts after end of the session. Okay. So, my dear participants, please see this is the image. This is the image. What is the technical name of this image? Can anyone answer for this question? What is the technical name of this image? We can see various types of images like JPEG, FPEG, TIFF, like, and this is the what is the technical name of this image? Can anyone answer in the chat box, please? See, I have incorporated all the tools and jargon of data science, like process, algorithm, programming, and tools and techniques, visualization, knowledge, everything. I have incorporated this data science image. See, how do you publicize about Aditya Engineering College in Madanapalli? By giving SMS, by pasting pamphlets or circulating pamphlets, digital boards and dashboards, like that. We are publicizing about Aditya Engineering College. Now I would like to publicize about data science technology in the industry or in the academicians. So how do I can publicize about data science? This is one more way of publicizing this logo. Can anyone answer in the chat box? Can you read, any one of you? What is the technical name of this image? Yeah, somebody gave answer in the chat box. What is the technical name of this image? Yeah. So the technical name of this image is data science word cloud. Very good. Somebody has given in the chat box. Congratulations. So this is not a bitmap, Lakshmi madam. So this is called word cloud. So I would like to publicize about data science. This is one way of media to publicize about data science. The technical jargon of this image is called word cloud. Next, data is a central to data science. Without data, there is no database applications. That's why data may be a numerical data, characteristic data, okay, and that we are collecting through observation or actionable data. So we are collecting various ways of data in the real-time environment. So data is essential to data science. So data can be a two types: categorical data and numerical data. Categorical data examples like marital status, like married, divorced, single, widow, political party, eye color, examples of categorical data. And numerical data, there are two types of numerical data: discrete and continuous data. Discrete data is nothing but there is no continuation of the data, like number of children. We will stop at one stage. Defects per hour, defects in a software. So that means discrete data. So that means counted items or measurable items. Continuous data is nothing but our age continuously growing. Sometimes our weight also continuously growing. That is called measured characteristics. So how do we collect the data in real-time environment? There are various data collection tools like interviews. Through interviews, we are collecting the data. Through observation, we are collecting the data. Through surveys, we are collecting the data. through usage data, focus groups. These are the various forms of data collection tools. And if you see data science, what are the prerequisites of data science I have explained. Solving problem with the data science by applying various AI, machine learning and statistical and deep learning techniques. And the data science tools like Python, Hadoop, or various tools I can use in data science. Data science applications like health related applications, traffic data analytics, stock market data analytics, various data science applications. Data science jobs nowadays, data scientist is a hot job in USA and India as well. And need of data scientists, yes. Nowadays, each user generating 2 GB of data, unstructured data every day, then that's why data science is mandatory. You must learn this subject. So data science is a interdisciplinary subject. Everybody can learn this subject. If you know basic mathematics, you can learn very easily data science. Data science is nothing but extracting meaningful, interested patterns from the huge volume of data. So what are the importance of data science? So it uses various statistical technique to analyze and draw insights from the data. From the data extraction and wrangling and pre-processing, a data scientist must scrutinize the data thoroughly. So what are the software tools used in data science? Like TensorFlow is a framework in deep learning. Jupyter is an editor in Python programming. Tableau is a visualization tool. Excel is a statistical tool. Scikit-learn, it is a sklearn. All machine learning algorithms are inbuilt in this framework. Natural language toolkit, in order to translate one language to another language, we are using NLTK package or framework. And matplotlib is a visualization package in order to generate various graphs. Then Power BI is used to generate, store transformations we are performing in business intelligence. And so, see, these are the examples of interdisciplinary, multidisciplinary subjects like we are using scientific methods, mathematics, like statistics, inferential statistics, and we are using descriptive statistics. In mathematics, we are using calculus and differential equations and linear algebra concepts like matrices. We are using advanced computing, visualization, hacker mindset, domain expertise, data engineering. And data science, so it deals with and performing, including steps like cleansing, aggregating of the data, manipulating of the data to perform advanced data analysis. So analytic applications and data scientists can review the results to uncover hidden patterns and enable business leaders to draw informed insights. So we are these are the 7 steps we are following. First step, collection and acquisition of the data, and storing with help of a system or a server or a data center. Then cleansing by applying various pre-processing techniques like box plot, and various filters we are using. Integration, that is called multiple data sets. Analyzing techniques and applications. Then representation of visualization tools like Tableau, Power BI, etc. And actions we are performing. Then data science, where the resources where the data is coming. So through social networks, we are generating the data, through financial data, through multimedia data, through data from enterprise resource planning system, Internet of Things, we are generating huge volume of data, mobile apps data, sensor data, cameras data, mission sensors, microphones, public data, transaction data, various sources are available in order to generate a huge volume of data. What is data science workflow? See here, first we are capturing huge volume of data. Then we are pre-processing and managing and cleansing the data by applying various pre-processing techniques like box plot and various filters we are applying. Then exploratory data analysis like classification, clustering, association, rule mining we are performing by applying classification, clustering, association, rule mining. Then final analysis, and finally we are generating reports with the help of matplotlib, ggplot and tableau. Tools are available in order to generate various graphs like line chart, bar chart and various charts are available. Then it works like first we are capturing data, managing the data, exploratory analysis, financial analysis, and finally, final analysis and finally reporting the data. So what are the commercial data characteristics of data science? First, we need to understand business understanding, then intuition, what you are going to needs to pick the right model. That is called intuition, is a characteristic of data science. This is a commercial characteristics. Then curiosity means what type of analytics it is going to generate and how progress being made in this field is very fast. That is called curiosity. It is a commercial data characteristic. If you see the subject-wise characteristics in data science, there are the three important characteristics like volume. It deals with the size of the data. We are handling megabytes, gigabytes, terabytes, petabytes. Or data velocity says that the speed and motion of the data. We are downloading, uploading files from the internet. Like we are dealing with the batch processing, periodic processing, near-time processing, real-time processing, etc. Data variety explains that what kind of unstructured data we are handling in real-time environment like audio, video, text, graphics, animation, etc. And the first topic I am going to explain what is introduction to data science. So I have explained already, I have injected immense knowledge about data science. So we are extracting to uncover hidden patterns and unknown correlations and other useful information from the huge volume of data. So I'll give you one small example. So Han and Kambar, authors of data mining and data warehousing textbook. Han and Kambar, they are the two faculty and scientists. They are pursuing their master's degree, and they have invented interested analytics from the huge Walmart data. What they have done, they have collected various Walmart's data within the period of 10 years data they have collected and stored in the system. Then they have applied a pre-processing technique in order to make information, and they have applied prediction algorithms in order to generate interested analytics of Walmart data. So I am giving scenario, the all employees of US employees of companies, what they are going to do usually Saturday and Sunday, they are outing, they are visiting some beaches, some places with their family, and they are purchasing groceries or food items or many things from the Walmarts. This Han and Kambar collected a huge volume of data in the different Walmarts, and they stored in the system 10 years data. Now tell me, they have applied prediction algorithms on the 10 years Walmart data. What are the items that they found interestingly? Can anyone answer for this question? So that is the meaning of uncover hidden patterns. That is the uncover hidden patterns. Can anyone answer for this question? I have given scenario, 10 years Walmart data they have collected. All employees of IT industry, they are outing with their family members. They are purchasing all grocery items, food items from the Walmart. Now, interestingly, they found two items are heavily sold out. What are the two items? Anyone? Please, anyone can answer for this question. They have applied association rule mining technique like a priori and FP growth algorithm. I have given 50% answer also. Association rule mining. They have applied and predicted very interesting items, hidden patterns, to uncover hidden patterns, unknown correlations they found in the Walmart data. So somebody has given answer in the chat box. What is the answer for this question? Nobody is giving. Hello, sir. Please unmute them, sir. Whether they are understanding my lecture or not, I would like to know. Hello, sir. Hello, madam. Please respond, anyone. Hello. Hello, my voice is audible.
Yes, sir.
Hello, sir. My voice is audible.
Yes, sir.
Audible, sir. Audible.
They are understanding my lecture or not, sir? Nobody is answering.
Audible, sir.
Oh, very good. What is the answer for this question?
Understanding, sir.
Yes,
Understanding.
yes. What is the answer for my question? Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
I am asking the question. What are the hidden patterns? Yeah, what are the hidden patterns they found in the 10 years Walmart data? Han and Cumber, they have done excellent research on this 10 years Walmart data. Surprisingly, they found two items are heavily sold out. What are the two items? Yes, Uma madam saying that association rule. Yes, madam. Association rule mining is one of the technique approach they have applied in data mining. In association rule mining also they have applied a priori algorithm and FP growth in order to predict to uncover the hidden patterns, unknown correlation they found in the 10 years Walmart data. My question is, what are the interested items they found in the 10 years Walmart data? What is your answer, Uma madam? Hello. Lakshmi madam, what is your answer? Ahmad sir, what is your answer? Please post answer in the chat box. Nobody is typing. Maybe you are not understanding my lecture, sir. Ahmad sir, Lakshmi
Understanding, sir.
madam,
Understanding.
what is it? Yeah, please tell me the answer. Try to answer. See, 10 years Walmart data they have collected in various Walmarts in America. All employees of IT industry people, they are outing with their family members. They are purchasing grocery items, food items, various items in the Walmarts. They have applied various association rule mining techniques and prediction algorithms on the 10 years Walmart data. Surprisingly, they found two hidden patterns from the Walmart data. Can anyone predict what is your answer? That is my question, Ahmad sir. Please answer to my question. Lakshmi madam, what is your answer? What are the items heavily sold out in the 10 years Walmart data? I have given scenario. All US IT employees are outing with their family members to visit the beaches. Yeah, clue. Avinash are asking a clue. Yes, sir. 10 years Walmart data, Han and Cumber, they have collected. All IT employees are there outing. They are visiting some places, beaches with their family members. Wife and children, they are outing. They are purchasing various grocery items and food items and drinks items. They are purchasing, they are outing to outside. So this Han and Cumber, they have done association rule mining on that 10 years old 10 years old data, Walmart data. They found surprisingly two items are heavily sold out. What are the two items are heavily sold out? They have Pradesh. Say, you are closely related to answer, but it is not correct answer. Pradeep, keep it up. The way, he has given wonderful answer, correct answer. Okay, beer and the diaper. See how interesting this one. 10 years, 10 years Walmart data. Surprisingly, they found two items are heavily sold out. Those are beer and diaper. Why I am explaining this concept? Because data science is nothing but extracting and examining large amounts of data of a variety of types like big data to uncover hidden patterns and extracting meaningful unknown correlations and other useful information from the 10 years Walmart data. Madam, keep it up. Keep it up. Very good answer. So, sir, why do they care about data science? So if you are having more data, it leads to the more knowledge. If you are having more knowledge, definitely you are gaining more money. So all business magnates, what they are doing, they are collecting a huge volume of data that they are then from the data. This is a caption of data science. More data leads to the more knowledge. More knowledge leads to the more money. So more knowledge leads to better customer engagement, fraud prevention, and the new products generation from the huge volume of data. So I have explained already this data science is, why do I want to learn data science? Pradesh. So why do you want to learn data science? These are the 5 reasons. See, it is a fuel for 21st century. It is a problem and demand and supply, especially in America. Highest paid package job is a data scientist, and it is a lucrative career in India and as well as in America. Data science is changing the world. So I'll give you a small scenario. How Joe Biden won the election as a president in America. There are 50 states in America. They have given publicizing about their leader, like SMS, pamphlets, digital board, dashboards. They have given a voting system in order to solve, in order to elect president as a Joe Biden, 50 states. But public has given their own opinion. They have collected various media data into the system. They have applied prediction algorithm. Only 45 states are giving good opinion about Joe Biden. Remaining 5 states, they are against Joe Biden. What Joe Biden has done, he has given boons to the public, free current, free education, free groceries, etc. He attracted the remaining 5 states, and there are 5 to 10 data scientists sit together and they are doing research on opinion mining about Joe Biden. Successfully, they found 5 states are lagging. Joe Biden given boons to the public, and they have attracted, and finally he elected as a president of America. What is the background of story? See, the background of this data analytics playing a vital role. Data scientist has tremendously, they have applied prediction and various data science techniques on that data. So that is the reason Joe Biden won the election. This is about data science is changing the world. Data science is future. So this is the reason, 5 reasons of data science. What is the purpose of data science? First, we are extracting data, and we are generating insights from the data. And finally, we can see the dashboards like bar chart, line charts, various charts we are generating with help of math, Tableau, etc. And Facebook alone generates more than stock market exchange. They are generating terabytes of data every hour. So data science is a collection of data sets which is so large and complex in data we can see in the real time environment. Structured data, unstructured data, semi-structured data. In structured data, what is in? There is a ratio, there is a procedure, there is a syntax. We are creating databases like tables, transactions, legacy data with help of relational database tools like SQL, MySQL, Teradata, DB2, MS Access. That is called structured data. What is meant by unstructured data? Unstructured data is nothing but we are not using schema, we are not using relation, we are not using procedure, but we are creating databases with help of non-relational database tools like HBase, Hive, Zookeeper, and Mongo database. These are non-relational database tools we are using like audio, video, image, text, graphics, animation databases we are creating. Then semi-structured data is nothing but 50% of XML database and 50% of unstructured data. That is called semi-structured data. And data analytics is nothing but we are generating interested analytics from the huge volume of data. That is called data analytics. And in this data analytics is the process of analyzing raw data in order to make conclusions, decisions about that information. That is called data analytics. The complete guide on enterprise data analytics like business understanding of the problem, then data exploration, data preparation, then data modeling and data evaluation. Finally, we are deploying the application or project. And this is about the data analytics process, 6 steps we are using. Like first we need to understand the business understanding, data exploration, data preparation, data modeling, and data evaluation, finally deployment. And these are the 5 steps we are using in this data science or data analytics, like collection of the data, collect the data source from the various sources, and measuring the data from collected data, to analyze the data, process for issues and root causes, and improve the decisions, improve the data analytics, determine and implement improvement of actions, and finally control and display the dashboards. Helps to system with improved information. Then who are using data science? So Amazon, Uber, NASA, LinkedIn, Twitter, Google, these are the very big giants in the market. They are the use cases of data science. Okay. And what is the structure of data science? There are 3 tiers, tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. In tier 1, we are using any kind of data source like structured data, unstructured data, semi-structured data. You can give as input to the system. Then you can choose big data analytics and tools, techniques like Hadoop cluster, MapReduce, Hive, MATLAB. Hive is a data warehousing tool. In order to store huge volume of data, we are using Hive. Then Hadoop is a framework in order to process the big data sets by using MapReduce and HDFS concepts. MapReduce is a programming model where we are writing Java code and compilation, executing, and finally we are deploying the application. Then HDFS is a Hadoop distributed file system. We are taking as unstructured data as an input system. We are dividing it into number of chunks, and each chunk will take each subnode, and it is just like a master data. Master slave architecture, client server architecture. Data is no problem. It gives a hardware to the master node. So that is called file tolerance. After choosing tools and techniques applied, various algorithms we are generating analytics like dashboards, queries, intelligence. The data file format we are using in the real-time environment. Those are the audio, video, text, graph environment. And the data science is an interdisciplinary and as well as multidisciplinary subject. So we are dealing with the data engineering concepts, advanced computing like cloud computing, big data technologies, visualization, statistics, and that's why it is a combination of visualization tools, statistical modeling, statistical computing, data technology, data research, data consulting, real world applications, scientific methods, etc. And So that's why data science is also called as a data-driven science or a knowledge discovery in databases. That is called a knowledge discovery database. Sometimes we can call it as a data mining, and sometimes we can call it as a data-driven science. So here we are using scientific thinking subjects, statistical methods like linear regression, non-linear regression, logistic regression, Poisson distribution, normal distribution, etc. And computer engineering, innovative technologies we are using. And this is the five-step process we are using in data science: capturing the data and maintaining the data and process the data and analyze the data, and finally we are communicating applications and analytics. And data science is a multidisciplinary subject. I have explained various subjects like pattern recognition, neurocomputing, machine learning, deep learning, artificial intelligence, data mining, database and data processing, visualization, etc. That's why it is called a multidisciplinary subject. What are the programming languages you must be aware of? Python or Java, any one programming language is mandatory. Data visualization, you can use as a Tableau, Power BI, Matplotlib, ggplot, Seaborn. Then IDE, you can choose PyCharm, Jupyter, Collaboratory, Spider, RStudio. You can choose web scraping like in robotic process automation like Beautiful Soup and Scrapy, URL. For deployment, you can choose Amazon Web Services, Azure. And for mathematics, you need to have statistics, linear algebra, differential calculus, etc. For data analysis, you need to have knowledge on feature engineering, data wrangling, exploratory data analysis, etc. In machine learning, you need to have classification techniques, regression techniques, reinforcement learning techniques, deep learning, clustering, dimensionality reduction, etc. And how to become a data scientist, I have explained all the background knowledge. You need to have database and process knowledge, statistical knowledge, machine learning knowledge, visualization, and finally data mining. And you must have apart from this one, communication skills, creativity skills, coding skills, real-time problem, subject matter expertise, public speaking, etc. And this is the data science life cycle. First, you need to understand business problem understanding, data collection, data cleansing and preparation, exploratory data analysis, feature engineering, machine learning, model evaluation, and data visualization. Okay, and one second, I got. One second. Sir, my screen is visible, sir, now? Hello? Sir, my screen is visible? One second,
No, sir.
sir.
No, sir.
Again, I'm generating. Yeah, I'm sharing. Yeah, I'm sharing my. Sir, now check my screen is visible or not, sir, please.
No, sir.
No, now it's,
I'm sharing my
Now
screen,
it's
sir.
visible, sir.
yes, sir, visible.
Yeah. Yeah. So this is the data science life cycle I have explained. Like first business problem understanding, data collection, data cleansing and preparation, exploratory data analysis, feature engineering, machine learning, model evaluation, data visualization. So there are main component of data science. Data exploration is nothing but, so it consumes the most amount of data. Then modeling. Modeling is nothing but simplified version of the reality. And so we use machine learning algorithms and testing the model. We are in part concerning the performance of the model. Finally, we are deploying the models. Uh, we finalize the model with help of various tools and techniques. These are the major components of data science: data, big data, machine learning, statistics and probability, programming language. So data is nothing but a raw material. There may be a structured data, unstructured data, semi-structured data. And the big data is nothing but deals with the large data sets like various V's such as volume, variety, velocity, vision, value, etc. Then machine learning approaches, we are using supervised learning, unsupervised learning and reinforcement learning. And in statistics and probability, so we are using various statistical methods. Numerical foundation of data science is insights and likelihood. And the programming language like Python, or you can use any one programming language. So what is the difference between data analyst and data scientist? So data analyst look into the business administration tasks and as well as data exploration, analysis and insights, including with the two tasks, data scientist performing advanced algorithm, machine learning and deep learning techniques and data product engineering. And these are the top 10 data science algorithms we are using for data analytics: linear regression, logistic regression, decision tree, naive-based classification, k-nearest neighbor algorithm, support vector machine, k-means clustering, principal component analysis, neural network, random forest. And these are the data science tools like software analysis. I mean, you can call it as a statistical analysis software tool like SPSS, big data, machine learning, D3, MATLAB, Excel, ggplot2, Tableau, Jupyter, Matplotlib, natural language toolkit, scikit-learn, TensorFlow, Veka. These are the various top 10 tools are available for data science. And doing like Google Analytics is one of the tool, and Excel is a statistical tool, Burst, Crazy Egg, Kissmetrics, ClickSense, Insight Quant, Skills, etc. So this is these are the various Tableau. It is a visualization tool. Excel, it is a statistical tool. Rapid Miner is a data mine tool. Data Robot is an artificial intelligence tool. Data warehousing tool. Trifacta, it is a data warehousing tool. One second, sir. My screen is stopped. I don't know why. I got. So now check my screen is. I have shared my screen. So these are the
Yes, sir.
various
Yes, sir.
top 10 data science tools we are using. Yes, sir. And these are the top 10 algorithms for data science I have explained. Linear regression to a priori algorithm. A priori algorithm only they have used in association rule mining in order to generate 10 years Walmart data. Surprisingly, they found out two interested items like deer and apple. So these are the various tools in various concepts like data store. For data store, we are using Mongo database and Kafka, Hadoop, MySQL. For transforming the data, we are using Spark and Python SQL. For modeling purpose, we are using Pandas, Python, sklearn, Spark, etc. For visualization purpose, we are using Tableau, ggplot, matplotlib, D3, etc. For other tools like for communication, Kafka, we are using, and Liquid, Liquid, we are using, and various tools we are using. So data science minimum concepts you must have: math and statistics, ethical skills, team player skills, lifelong learning skills, and communication skills, real world problem skills, machine learning skills, and visualization skills, and data wrangling pre-processing tools, and coding skills, Python, etc. Then skills a data scientist must have: data mining skills, big data, research analytics, machine learning, Python, R, data analysis, etc. And the data scientist responsibilities is managing the data, is generating analytics, is strategically applying the tools and techniques, and collaboration with the research and academic and industry institutions. Other 70 to 80% statistics knowledge, and 70 to 80% predictive modeling. 10 to 15% machine learning concepts, and 30% text mining knowledge, 5% visualization knowledge is required. So my journey that matter. Statistical packages, advanced mathematics, and experiment design modeling, strained, and make it actionable, ask good questions. This is my journey to become a data scientist. So what are the applications of data science we are going to solve? Image recognition applications, speech recognition applications, price comparison websites, internet search in the finance applications like customer segment application, strategic decision making applications, algorithm trending risk analytics, banking applications, and manufacturing applications, and e-commerce applications, etc. And five application areas of data science like fraud and risk detection, image speech recognition application, healthcare application, and augmented reality, and airline route planning system algorithm. These are the various applications domains are presented in the data science. And the data science real life use cases like what sells most ice creams in summer season, all business magnates are generating huge varieties of ice creams in the summer season because they are getting huge money from that business. Learning to speak, learning to speak from one language to another language application, recognizing defects and using suggestions and to make better decisions. These are the data science real life use cases. So top 25 algorithms we are using searching, sorting, graphs, arrays and basic algorithms, and as well as in algorithm types like regression types and instance based methods, regularization methods, decision tree methods, Bayesian classification, kernel methods, association rule mining, association neural networks, deep learning techniques, dimensionality reduction, and ensemble methods. These are the various algorithm types we can see in this data science. So languages like C Sharp, Julia, JavaScript, Python, Java, R, and data platforms like Hadoop, Spark, and SQL Server, etc. And deep learning virtual machines like we are using H2O, TensorFlow, XGBoost, etc. Data ingestion tools like SQL Server, Python, and Sir, unmute.
So it is audible to us.
Sir,
You
your
can
voice
speak.
is not audible, sir.
Hello, sir, unmute.
Sir, it is already unmuted. You can speak.
And another. Now my screen is visible, sir. 1 second. Hello, sir, my screen is visible. I
Yes, sir.
am sharing the screen, sir. Sir, my screen is visible. Sir,
Yes, sir.
my screen is visible, sir.
Yes, sir,
Yes.
visible.
So, 1 second, sir. I'm changing my screen. Yes, sir. My voice is audible, sir.
Yes. Yes,
Yes,
Hello,
sir.
sir. My voice is audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes, yes. So I have explained. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm explaining. So my question is, why Python is so popular? So Python is so popular because of rich number of packages are presented. And these are the big use cases Amazon by having e-commerce experience. And Uber, why Uber is using? Because of optimizing rights. Bank of America, why they are using the data science? Increasing customer experience. Airbnb, improving searches. And data science in pharmaceutical industries, predictive modeling for maintaining oil and gas supply, data science in biotechnology, data science in education, they are using. And these are the various use cases I have explained already. And what are the advantages and disadvantages of data science? So various advantages like ease of job hunting, and disadvantages of data science, complexity, data accuracy, no data security. These are the drawbacks of data science. Then how to become a data scientist? I have explained already: statistics, program skills, machine learning skills, data management, communication skills. So these are the careers in data science: data scientist, statistician, data analyst, database administrator, data architect, business analyst, data engineer, data and analyst manager. And these are the career options in data science. You can say, and data analyst, data scientist, big data engineer, and these are the various options. And what are the research areas in data science? You can see the social media, okay, social media, location mining, cyber bullying, and okay, you can call it as a new framework for high speed data mining, pricing and updation of okay, pricing board supply. So these are the various research areas. So multiple data sources, data security, and undefined KPIs and metrics, getting value out of data science. So these are the research data science talent and the lack of management and financial support and data unavailable or difficult to access and the privacy issues, and these are the various challenges according to the Gartner survey. And research in data science, so you can choose any subject like analytics in business intelligence, data driven science, artificial intelligence, and visualization, machine learning, information technology, social science, informatics, and statistics, etc. And the future of data science, algorithms and applications. Okay, in future of security data analytics, healthcare data analytics, smart everything, human capital, etc. What are the future of algorithms of data science? We are using massive scale graph, hyperfast analytics, and cognitive machine learning, natural language generation, structured database generating, etc. Okay, and the future of data science, problems in handling data, and the never-ending growth of data, and the increased demand for data scientists, popularity of machine learning, emerging source of data science, and I am concluding this data science theory part. Now I am going to demonstrate practical sessions. See, in data science summary, we have learned various subjects like natural and in you need to have standard libraries like NumPy, Scikit, SciPy, Panda, Scikit-learn, Matplotlib, and multi-dimensional data objects, and sorting, searching, and Giant-IO, discrete Fourier transformation, basic linear algebra, basic statistical operations, various random simulation, and much more. We can use NumPy package, and next package is SciPy, that is called as Scikit Python, and okay, here we can solve mathematical, scientific, engineering, and technical problems. So SciPy is a built-in on Python NumPy extension. And the next one is the Pandas. Pandas is a framework in order to solve data sets in data structures like various data. That's why we are using Pandas package. And Scikit-learn. Scikit-learn is one of the framework in deep and machine learning algorithm. It is also called sklearn, and the features like classification, regression, clustering, support vector machine, random forest, and gradient boosting, k-means, DB scan, and various algorithms we are solving under Scikit-learn. And the next one is Piano. Piano is one of the framework we are using in order to solve various applications like deep learning applications, graphics and processing unit applications, and neural network applications, etc. And as well as TensorFlow. TensorFlow is one of the framework in deep learning, in artificial intelligence, in order to solve various artificial intelligence algorithms. etc. Then Keras is a framework. In order to solve algorithms like cognitive algorithm, is one of the famous framework in our sector. Then these are the 8 popular Python program. Seaborn. Seaborn is a one more application framework we are using in order to solve visualization, distribution, trends, and relationship variables, etc. Especially Matplotlib, Pandas, NumPy, we can see in this framework. So this is about Matplotlib is one of the visualization tool. It is one of the visualization tool in order to generate various kinds of graphs. Okay. Then statistics. In statistics, we are using various algorithms like statistical. You know, I think last 5 days you might have seen various statistical operations. Statistical methods like descriptive methods, inferential methods, and various methods you might have seen, etc. In inferential methods, we are using central limit theorem and binomial theorem and normal distribution applied to mean and hypothesis, etc. And I have explained the various basic probability and statistical operations like central tendency. You must have knowledge on central tendency and as well as binomial theorem and percentiles and hybrid distribution, dimensionality reduction. Sampling, Bayesian statistics, central limit theorem, covariance and correlation, etc. These are the statistics. And these are the basic statistics formulas. Okay, so I am using one sampling jet statistic, one sampling T statistic, two sample T statistic, sample pop. Proportions, two sample proportions, square statistics, central. You must learn for becoming a data scientist, statistical significance and regression. So these are the probability concepts you must know. I am just recalling this one. Then central tendency, then variability. I think everybody knows these are the concepts, and the relationship between variables. Everybody knows probability distribution, and you must having knowledge on hypothesis testing and signification testing, and you must have knowledge on t-test and chi-square test, ANOVA testing, and regression. Now I am going to demonstrate regression techniques like linear regression, non-linear regression, logistical regression. Please check all of you. I am going to demonstrate. I am sharing my screen. So please see my screen is visible now. Hello, sir. I'm sharing the screen. Hello, sir. Please check all of you. My screen is visible or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
Sir,
sir,
one
visible.
second, sir. I have opened. No, no, no. I have joined with another system. I have shared. Sir, command prompt is visible right now. See?
Yes,
Hello,
sir.
sir.
Command prompt is visible. Yes, sir. Visible.
It is visible, sir. Yeah, please see here. Python, I am executing a linear regression algorithm. I'm sir, my screen is visible. Hello, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's visible.
Yes,
Now
visible.
the screen is not
Visible.
visible. Only photo is visible.
Sir, my screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Here, I'm showing a demonstration now.
Visible.
Yeah, please see here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please see, I am executing a linear. See, this is the file you need to open. First, install this Python in your system, latest version. You can check like this Python successfully installed in your system or not. You can type like this Python. So here you will get 3.10.5 version. Now I am going to demonstrate a linear regression. See here. So first I am opening my file in the notepad. Okay, linear regression. See here, this is the program. I have intercept and slope value. Finally, I am predicting y values. Now see my screen. See my screen. I am executing this one Python like this. Python linear regression demo. If you execute like this, it will open a notepad file. Now I am executing a Python linear regression demo. See, I have generated x values. I have generated y values. See, I have taken x value. I have generated y value and I have generated graph. This is a predicted responses of y value. Why we are using regression method? In order to predict the future values. Intercept value slope I have generated. Now see here, one more program, Python and non-linear program. Now I am generating the non-linear program. See, this graph I have generated. Okay. And this graph I have generated in the non-linear regression. So now one more program, Python, logistic regression. I am going to execute a logistic regression. Please see here, all of you. So you non-linear regression. See here, non-linear regression. This is logistic regression. Execute. So logistic regression based on the output value 0 and 1 coefficient value I have generated with the help of logistic regression by using Python programming, and complete practicals I am showing now. Now I am showing one more algorithm, Python support vector machine. Please see here, my screen is all of you please check here. Python, see this is the output I have generated. So support vector machine. So so this is if you open svm.py support vector machine. So this is a precision recall F1 score support. If you are having any doubts, please ask me. So I have imported pandas from sklearn. This is the program I have written for support vector machine. Okay. So I have generated columns like and skewness, kurtosis, entropy class. I have taken data set. Now I am showing data set. You see here, notepad, notepad. So hot data set. See, hot data set I am opening in CSV file format. This is my CSV file format. Please see all of you. My screen is visible. See, hot data set, age. Hello sir, please respond. My screen is visible or not?
Yes,
Hello
sir.
sir. Yeah, age and gender and CP, cholesterol and FBS. So this is called a comma separated variable data set I have taken as input data set. Now I am executing various algorithms like this Python and SVM1 also there. Sorry, SVM support vector machine. Python you can use svm2.py. Okay, support vector machine. Here I have used one more algorithm. Okay, so I have generated this one and one more. See here .py like this. You can generate various algorithms and. One second, I'm adding decision tree. So I'm executing decision tree. So if you find decision tree algorithms like see I have taken data set, supermarket data set. I have applied decision tree algorithm. Decision tree I'm executing now. Python decision. See this algorithm. See I have executed decision tree algorithm. My dear participants, please see, this is a decision tree algorithm. Now my screen is visible. So like this, I have executed n number of algorithms in Python. Okay. So now please see here. Now I am sharing my screen. And sir, how much time is there so that I can plan to execute various algorithms? Please tell me, sir, how much time is there now? Hello, sir.
20 minutes, sir. 20 minutes.
How much time is there?
4:25.
Okay. Yeah, 20. Yeah, 20 minutes.
4:25.
Yeah.
Another 20 minutes.
Please. Informing me 20 minutes. So now I'm done. See. This is a logistic regression and applications I'm going to share with you. So see, heart data set I have explained right now. SVM heart data set I have executed. This is the data set I have taken. Heart data set as an input. Now, okay, heart disease data set I have taken. I have successfully find the precision recall, F1 score support, etc.
ఏం కంప్యూటర్ సైన్స్ వాళ్ళు ప్రస్తుతానికి ఎవరు వాడలేదు ఎప్పుడు ఇచ్చినారు ఏం యూజ్ ఏం లేదు.
I'm skipping the theory. Hello, sir. Kernel SVM. So kernel SVM I have taken as what I mean quality data set I have taken. I have executed. Now decision tree I have shown to you. Supermarket data I have taken. All electronics data set I have taken. I have executed this decision tree algorithm, decision tree, and random forest. It is one more classification algorithm. So this is the way I have executed random forest algorithm. Please see here. And next neural networks. So I am going to demonstrate artificial neural network applications now. Okay. And application linear regression I have executed, decision tree algorithm I have executed, and support vector machine I have executed, and support vector machine naive Bayes classification I have executed, naive Bayesian classification I have executed, and hot data set by using machine learning algorithm I have executed, and k nearest neighbor algorithm I have executed. K nearest neighbor algorithm 72 accuracy I have got it. Then deep learning theory part I am excluding. Deep learning concepts like artificial neural networks and convolutional neural networks, and as well as deep neural networks, recurrent neural networks. These are the models I have executed in my data science research laboratory. COVID-19 COVID data I have executed. These are the simple 19 data set, like these are the X-ray images I have taken. Them I have executed, and COVID-19 and pneumonia. Taken 860 images I have collected, and the CNN code. And in this convolutional neural network, I have applied a training augmentation configurations of augmented image data, generator for validating data, evaluating model performance and tuning, and this is the code I have used, and I have collected 860 image data sets and X-ray image data set based on the symptoms like fever, cough, sore throat, and I have okay. So I got accuracy 66% by applying convolutional neural networks, and this is the data loss versus accuracy. This is execution time. This is the size versus accuracy. Next, COVID-19 strain virus detection algorithm. These are the symptoms I have collected from the X-ray images. So COVID-19 strain image data set applications. I have used a recurrent neural network. First importing COVID-19 data set. Then I have applied recurrent neural networks, training parameters, network parameters, and the TensorFlow graph input, define weights. This is the recurrent neural network algorithm. And this is calculate accuracy, and this is the testing images I have taken, and finally I have predicted whether it is a COVID strain image or not. Then so these are the symptoms I have collected. This is the data set I have collected from the UCI and the Kaggle website, and this is the data set I have collected, and I have applied CNN and RNN algorithm, breast cancer detection algorithm. So I have collected various data sets from UCI and Kaggle websites. This is the data set I have collected, and I have applied for training data set, testing data set, and finally I have detected whether it is normal mammogram or benign crustal breast cancer classification I have done. This is the algorithm I have used, the CNN algorithm. Training augmentation configuration. Finally, I have executed breast cancer symptoms of lung cancer of finally it is detected. And Ebola virus detection, I have collected symptoms like Ebola virus symptoms, headache, heat, various symptoms I have collected, vomiting, virus symptoms, and this is the algorithm I have used, the recurrent neural network for the various X-ray data set. I have applied algorithm case of Ebola virus, and finally conclusion making, and so that's all various applications I have demonstrated. Now see, these are the various conferences and seminars I have presented. This is about in Thailand I have presented international conference, and this is at Singapore, this is at the Philippines, and this is at a keynote speaker at one of the engineering college. This is Madanapalli MITS, and this is at Sri Vidyaniketan Engineering College resource person. Madanapalli Institute, by that time Jagannath sir called me as a jury member in the year 2015, and this is a keynote speaker at Seetham, and this is a PhD from JNT Anantapur, and this is Bharat Vidya Ratan Award at Delhi in 2018, and this is ITAP Best ITAP Teacher Award from Tutors Pride, and this is Best Local Chapter Award from IIT Madras. I mean Best Local Chapter Keynote Speaker at Salem, Keynote Speaker at Salem Engineering College, and this is a Keynote Speaker at Gautami Institute of Engineering College. This is a resource person at Indian Institute of Science Education Research Center at Tirupati, ISER Tirupati. This is Sangam University, Big Data Analytics using PySpark. And this is ABS College at Ghaziabad, and this is at Jaya Engineering College, Tamil Nadu. This is Maharshi Markandeya Engineering College at Ghaziabad, and this is Data Science Workshop at Blue Crest University. Big Data Analytics using Spark at Oman, Saudi Arabia. I have given a webinar talk at Oman, Saudi Arabia as a keynote speaker, and the data science applications hands-on. This is at Blue Crest University, and this is at Russia. Uh, School of Young Scientist, COVID-19 strain virus detection. I have used RNN algorithm method, and this is big data using PySpark. So one of my area, big data applications using PySpark. I have given hands-on practice. This is at certificate of appreciation. I have given demonstration at Tamil Nadu. In Bhartiyar University, I have hands-on practice through SPSS. This is at the Lord's Institute of Engineering Technology at Hyderabad. This is a data science using R program at Blue Crest University. This is IT technology trends in strategic sector and opportunities for multidisciplinary engineers at Reva University. And this is Karpaga Vinayaka College of Engineering. This is Vijnana Bharati Engineering College at Hyderabad. This is research conclave at Hyderabad. Africa I have conducted for 49 countries. This is Krishna University, Machilipatnam. This is KL University. And this is Chadalavada Engineering College. This is Annai Salai College of Arts and Science. And this is Chalapati Engineering College. And this is Annamacharya Institute of Technology. This is cyber security applications using Python programming, and cyber security applications using Python. And this is Maharshi Markandeya Engineering College using data science applications using Python. This is mobile application development using Python. I have given hands-on practice. This is data science application using machine learning and deep learning techniques. This is at one of the engineering college at Bangalore, and this is data science applications using machine learning and deep learning techniques at Oman, Saudi Arabia. I have given a webinar talk. This is cyber data analytics using Python programming, and this is Wet Institute of Arts and Science data analytics I have generated. This is at one of the college at Maharashtra. I have generated hands-on practice. This is at SSN Engineering College at Madras, SSN Engineering College. This is at Maharshi Markandeya. Okay, and this is at SKC Link Ghaziabad. Indra Bharati Engineering College, Data Science and Artificial Intelligence, and this is okay. Madras Sairam Engineering College, and using Python. This is Mahendra Engineering College on computer aided design application. This is Bansal Engineering College at Rajasthan. This is at Research India Foundation, and this is at JNTU Kakinada. I have given webinar talk. This is at Model Institute of Engineering College at Punjab. This is Rathinam Engineering College at Tamil Nadu. This is Srinidhi Institute of Science and Technology, Hyderabad. This is a one-day workshop at Business Data Analytics using machine and deep learning techniques. This is Data Analytics and Tools. This is your college. Not MVGR. This is at Madanapalli Institute of Technology. This is your college, Aditya Engineering College at Madanapalli. This is last. Thanks for giving me this wonderful opportunity. I would like to thank Jagannathan sir for giving me this wonderful opportunity to deliver data science applications, various applications by using Python and machine learning, deep learning. Any questions now? This is time for you. Please unmute Jagannathan sir, please unmute them. Because of time, I have demonstrated only few applications. Yes, sir, please.
Congratulations, sir.
I'm
on
opening
behalf of
my-
faculties. Congratulations to you, sir, for your great activities. So now, any of the faculties can
Yes,
give
sir.
feedback.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ask them queries. My dear participants, please ask me any queries related to research on data science, machine learning, deep learning, and statistics, even cyber security data analytics, mobile data analytics. You can ask any queries. Hello, sir.
Anybody want to?
Yeah, please give at least feedback about my lecture and the topics. Please.
Gupta, you can share your views.
Any doubt? Please ask.
Audible, sir?
Share your views. Completely.
Sir, is it audible? Can you hear me?
Yes, audible. Speak loudly.
Sir, all the sessions was very good. Is my personal
Yes, sir.
feedback.
Please share your
And
feedback, sir.
the lecture which was delivered by Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu, sir.
Yeah.
It, yes, sir. Is it disturbing? Any disturbance? Now it is
audible.
okay. So all the sessions was good. It was more practical, and we got almost what is the things, latest trends going on nowadays. Really, it is helpful for us, and I hope Dr. Jagannath sir has given me opportunity. I thanks to sir and all the fraternity, all the members who has participated in this. Thanks a lot, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you. Any faculties? Okay, if not,
Any other faculty members, please share your feedback. Sadish, please share your feedback.
okay, sir, we'll conclude with the vote of thanks. Okay, I request now.
Yes, sir.
Madam, to vote of thanks.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, somebody is speaking, sir. Yeah, somebody is giving feedback, sir. Please let them. Yes, sir. They are giving feedback. Please. Nagaraj sir, please give your feedback. Aruna madam, Devika, Sendil, Subbarao sir, Dr. K. Subbarao sir, please share your feedback and ask any queries, sir.
Sir, good evening.
Yeah, good evening, sir.
Sir, this is Suresh Kumar from SRK Engineering College, Bhimavaram, sir.
Yes, sir, please give your valuable feedback, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for the coordinators and the team. Really, it is very useful session, sir. Really great session. I had enjoyed a lot. I had learned many deep learning techniques where our team has been disseminating these days. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much for this opportunity.
Pradesh, Raghavendra sir, Likit.
Good evening, sir. Pradesh here.
Please give your
Thanks for this valuable session.
valuable
Sir, everything is excellent, sir, from your side. Machine
feedback.
translation and all related information is very good. Thank you, sir.
Yes, good evening.
Good evening, sir. Hello.
Yes, sir, audible.
Sir, good evening, sir. Sir, thank you for your valuable session, sir. I learned many things regarding artificial intelligence and machine learning, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay. Okay, madam, we propose vote of thanks.
Thank you, sir. Good evening, all of you present over here. I, Devika, on behalf of Aditya College
I
of
think
Engineering,
Kalpana madam
find
is
it a
speaking,
great
sir.
privilege to extend the vote of
Balachandra
thanks
sir.
for organization of
Good evening, sir. Please give your
Sir, tell me, sir. Sir, tell me, sir. Good evening, sir. Sir. Sir, tell me, sir. Hello.
Balachandra sir, are you speaking?
Sir, I am from Anantalakshmi College, sir.
Okay.
Sir, tell me, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Please give sir, your valuable feedback.
Six. Yes, continue, sir. Okay, we'll conclude. I will conclude with what of thanks because many of the colleges are ending by 4:30. Okay,
Good evening, all of you present over here. I, Devika, on behalf of Aditya College of Engineering, deem it a great privilege to extend the vote of
You
thanks
vote of
for
thanks.
organization of 6-day online faculty development program on artificial intelligence and data science. A big thank to you to our chief patrons, Sri R. Ramohan Reddy sir, Secretary and Correspondent of ACEM. I express my sincere thanks to Mr. N. Nagamalla Reddy sir, President of ACEM. I would like to take this opportunity to place on record our heartfelt thanks to Dr. S. Ramalinga Reddy sir, Director of ACEM, for the perfect logistic support and guidance. I also extend my thanks to our patrons, Dr. K. Satish Babu sir, Principal of ACEM, for this enormous cooperation in organizing this event. On behalf of management, staff, and all the faculty members, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to all the eminent speakers for sparing their precious time. I thank Professor R.B.V. Subramaniam sir, NIT Warangal, for sharing their thoughts on introduction to AI and data science, supervised learning on day 1. With this, I extend my sincere thanks to Dr. R. Pranita Sri Ma'am, Triple IT DM Karnool, to express their views on unsupervised learning, searching techniques on day 2. Thank you, ma'am. I also would like to thank Dr. N. Srinivas sir, NIT Warangal, for sharing their views on Python for machine learning, deep learning, CNN, medical image analysis on day 3. Thank you, sir. I also express my gratitude to thank Dr. M. Anand Kumar sir, NITK Suratkal, for sharing their thoughts on NLP, text mining using deep learning on day 4. I'm privileged to extend my thanks to Professor P. Radhakrishna sir, NIT Warangal, for sharing their views on data visualization techniques, applications of AI for research engineering problems, regression, statistical learning on day 5. Now it's my honor to thank Dr. A.P. Shivakumar sir, JNTU Anantapur, for sharing their views on mission translations. And also, I would like to thank Dr. A. Srinivasulu sir from Bluecrest University for sharing their views on data science applications using machine learning and deep learning techniques on today's session. I also express my gratitude to convener Dr. M.B. Jagannath Reddy sir, HOD of CSE department. I also extend my sincere thanks to everyone enough for their involvement and their willingness to take on the completion of tasks. With this note, I would like to thank all the faculty members who attended this session and made it a grand success. Last but not least, I would like to thank our coordinators, Syed Riyazul Haq sir and Kishore sir, for pulling this event on wheels and making this a grand success. Thank you one and all for giving this opportunity. Thank you, sir.
Okay, all of you will be in the WhatsApp group. Your test link will be shared only, and it will be opened only between 7 to 8 p.m. Okay, now we'll wind up the session. Then exit out. You can leave the. సార్ మీకు మళ్ళీ కాల్ చేస్తాను సార్, మీకు వాట్సాప్ చేస్తాను, మాట్లాడతాను సార్.
Sorry.